We're building our own house, and we're bringing you the different stages of construction in this home building series. In the first episode, we'll take a look at how we prepared the site for construction and poured concrete into the foundation trenches. First, we invited an excavator to remove the topsoil at the construction site and the access road. The excavator placed this topsoil in an agreed-upon location, so it wouldn't hinder the construction process. It will stay there throughout the rough construction phase and then be reused after completing the land improvements. The excavator removed the top 20-30 centimeters of soil. Below that was clayey soil. Before starting construction, we also brought construction debris from a neighboring project to the site, which will be used to create a temporary access road to the house. The debris was free, saving the neighbor disposal costs and me costs for gravel on the access road. The excavator spread the debris at the access point and compacted it thoroughly. In the future, construction vehicles like diggers, mixers, and cranes will drive on this. So, we've almost for free prepared the area to prevent machinery from sinking into the soil. The next day we began excavation. Since the construction site is on a slight slope, we first had to level the ground under the future building. In the video, you can see that there's almost a 3-meter difference in elevation at one point. Excavation and removal of soil took 2 days because we only had one truck for this phase, and the excavator had to wait long for each load to be taken away. Disposing of the soil at a landfill at current prices was not an option. Fortunately, we arranged with another builder nearby in time, who will use the soil to fill a slope on his property. We excavated and transported around 50 truckloads, saving more than $7,000 for soil storage. After leveling the ground at the construction site, we had the building precisely surveyed by a surveyor, who also issued a survey report that we'll need for approval. Then I marked out the foundation trenches with lime. I also constructed construction benches from planks to mark out all the corners of the building. I used a laser to measure the height of the benches to the 0 point, which is the height of the future ground floor. Then the excavator came back. In the marked areas, it excavated the foundation trenches according to the project. The soil was again transported to the neighboring builder. There were 10 truckloads of it. We continuously cleaned the foundation trench during excavation, prepared passages, and laid down grounding strips and lightning rod outlets. For passages, we used old 20 centimeters diameter drainage pipes. We secured them on the sides with sturdy planks to prevent concrete from displacing them later. For electricity passage, we used a 10 centimeters conduit. Grounding strips and lightning rods are standard, connected with couplers, and the joints were treated with bitumen. At the end of the day, everything was ready for pouring concrete.